Welcome to the library tutorial for Environmental Studies 100 for topics from the Libguide perspective. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search your topic and find articles in databases. These are examples of databases that can be found in the Environmental Studies Libguide under the Article Databases tab or in the A to Z list. Start at the library's homepage and click on the Databases tab. Now, click on Resources by Subject, and finally, click on the Environmental Studies link under the Sciences heading. Welcome to the Environmental Studies Libguide. Each tab will give you access to different types of information. I am Meredith Ayers, and the Subject Specialist for Environmental Studies, and my contact information can be found in the Home tab of the guide. The focus of this tutorial will be the databases available in the Article Databases tab. Click on this tab. Greenfile is a database primarily focused on environmental literature. The Related Databases section includes all the databases mentioned earlier, plus other databases that can be used to find articles related to environmental studies. We will start by searching Greenfile. To access the database, click on the title. Start with a simple keyword search by typing in microplastics in the search box and clicking on the green search button. The keyword search in this example gives us 1,410 results. Usually the professor would like you to find scholarly or peer-reviewed journal articles. We can limit the search set to scholarly peer-reviewed journal by checking in the box next to it under the Limit To heading in the Refined Results column on the left-hand side of the screen. After limiting to peer-reviewed, click on Subject heading in the Results column. Clicking on Subject gives you a short list of options. Clicking on Show More provides you with a scrolling menu of options. For this example, click on the box next to Plastics and the Environment to put a check in it, and then click on the Update button. You have just narrowed your search to articles that focus on microplastics and their relationship with the environment. Scholarly peer-reviewed are articles that have been reviewed and approved by other professionals in the field before being accepted and published by a journal. Keyword versus subject. A keyword search looks for the word anywhere in the record and/or text, regardless of context. A subject is assigned to a paper by a human indexer and indicates that the certain percentage of the paper is on that subject. We now have 62 articles to choose from. To view the record and learn more about the article, click on the title of the article. The record provides you with all the information that you need to cite the article. It also shows you the subject terms assigned to the articles so that they can be used to find more articles. Most records will also provide you with an abstract of the article to read to see if this is an article that you wish to acquire. If this is an article that you can use, the next question is how to get the full text. This article is available full text in the database, so simply click on the PDF icon. You now have access to the full text of the article, which you can save, print, or email yourself by clicking on the envelope on the right-hand side of the screen. Now all you need to do is type in your email address and hit send, and a copy of the PDF will be emailed to you as an attachment. If an article is not available full text, then click on the Find It button to see if NIU has access. You will need to sign in if you have not already done so. Sign in using the institutional login, which is your ZID and password. This is an example of an article that is available electronically. Click on the vendor to access the vendor's page. On the vendor's page, find and click on the PDF link to retrieve the article. NIU does not have electronic access to this article. To request the article, click on Request Article from Interlibrary Loan. An already populated form will appear on the page, and all you need to do is click Send Request. You will receive an email in a few days to 2 weeks, depending on when the article comes in. You will then log into My Account from the library's homepage and click on My Articles in the column marked Interlibrary Loan to access it. Now we are going to switch databases. Return to the Environmental Sciences Libguide's article database list. Under Related Databases, scroll down to Heinen Online. Click on the database title to enter the database. Type the word microplastics in the search box and click on the magnifying glass to perform the search. Some documents will be available full text. For others that are not available full text, click on the red NIU button, which works just like Find It does in Green File. You have now learned how to search your topic and find articles in databases. If you have questions, you can chat with a librarian via Ask a Librarian chat box in the middle of the librarian's homepage. Click on the chat icon in the lower right-hand corner of the Libguide. Email me directly or ask to meet virtually in Teams.